Hey, what's up everybody? It's Uncle Mad. Bachelor Week continues today. We're back in the kitchen. I'm going to cook something up today. And we're going to go to an old favorite, the Bob's Burgers Cookbook. Haven't tapped into this in a little bit, but thought while Jesta was gone, a burger sounded like a good thing to eat. So I figured if I'm going to do a burger, I might as well pick one of these. And I thought, if you can see, Jesta has gone through and tagged several of the recipes that she was interested in trying, so I figured we should probably do one that she had not tagged but that sounded good to me. So today we're going to do the poutine on the Ritz burger, which is, if you've had poutine before, you can kind of see where we're going with this. You might have noticed in the vlog earlier this week when I showed off the groceries that I bought for the whole week, we had cheese curds included in that, so that's where this comes into play. So we're going to work this up really quickly. This also includes fries, like a specific recipe for the fries to make, your own poutine to go with the poutine burger. And they've got a recipe of how to flawlessly cook your own fries. And normally I just go air fryer or baked fries. I don't typically actually fry my fries at home, but I'm going to try to follow their recipe, do it the way they say, and actually fry up some fries to go with this. Fry up some fries to go fries. If I say fries 3 times, do French fries appear. But yeah, that's what we got on the docket today. It's been a crazy day already. At the time of filming, it is Thursday, God, what is that? Thursday, May the 16th, and this morning we found out Gary Smith got fired by Nashville SC. Shocking news there. By the time this comes out on the channel, I've already done an instant reaction live stream, kind of sharing all my thoughts about that. Had the game day vlog from yesterday's game where thought we might be inching closer to a move, but wasn't sure we were going to make a move. That move happened, so head over to the channel, check out all the videos I'm putting out. There'll be a live stream that comes out the night this releases where we'll go into more detail about what's been going on with Nashville SC, what's been going on with the Titans, all kinds of good stuff here. Bachelor Week on the channel. I haven't mentioned it's Bachelor Week. Somebody told me I didn't say that enough. Like a friend of mine said, hey, you didn't talk enough about in your videos about how Jess is out of town and you're a bachelor this week, so I want to make sure I mention that. But this video is Bob's Burgers Cookbook. We're going to hit the poutine burger, poutine on the Ritz. I hope it turns out good. This should be a relatively quick and easy cook because pretty much the recipe is just cook the burger as you normally would, top it with the cheese curds and the gravy, cook your fries, top them with the cheese curds and the gravy. And like I've mentioned a few times this week, I'm going to simplify things. I'm not going to make my own from scratch gravy. Maybe it'd be better that way, but this worked out pretty good with the Loco Moco taco, so we're just going to go with the same gravy for our cheese curd burger, poutine on the Ritz, that's what it's called. I'm going insane just to come home. Okay, so like I mentioned, nothing too crazy in the cooking process on this one. It's pretty much standard, just grilled the burgers, and it's more about actually building it with all the toppings that are going to go on it. So kind of skipped over, just sorry if you're one of those people that loves to see the sizzle. I know I love to see the sizzle, but went in to cook the burgers, cook the fries. Fries, once again, I'll show you there, and I'll show you there. Got a little browner than I would have liked. I'm not quite mastering the art of actual frying. I'm better at air frying and baking, but much like the chips earlier this week, got a little more done than I would have liked, but it's okay. We'll survive. So we're gonna build our sandwiches now. So got a brioche bun, toasted that up real well. Burger patty goes on top first. We're gonna hit it up with a few cheese curds right on top. Moo her food is being prepared and has made her way into the kitchen. Cheese curds, boom. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with the gravy. Just over the top a little bit there. One final step for the burger, we have crumbled up Ritz crackers to top on top. That's an interesting little twist there. Jerky. Last but not least, we're going to make our actual poutine. So we're just going to go with our cheese curds I got left in there. Top it with the gravy. Get it all nice and mixed up. It's going to be very messy to eat with all this gravy, I have a feeling, but whatever. We'll survive. Alrighty. Alright. Show that camera, show this camera. There it is, the poutine on the Ritz burger. That's for the thumbnail. All right, time for the favorite part of every cooking video, the taste test. Let's eat. All right, let's go with the poutine first. Let's try that first to see how it turned out, and we'll get into the burger second, but here we go, bon appetit. It's not bad. Cheese curds need to be a little more melty. I maybe should have nuked them a little bit or had the gravy hotter because they're not quite as melty as you probably would like them to be, but it's good. All right, let's try some monstrosity of this burger. Oh God, everything's going everywhere already. All right, here we go. Loaded her up. Oh, cheese curds falling out. Bone apple teas. Oh God. Let me put you. Oh God, I'm losing everything. It's all falling apart on me. It's good. To eat this over the top of the poutine so that everything that falls out just goes right into the mix there. Burger's good. Same thing as the poutine though. Cheese curds, I should have done something to melt them. Get them a little bit slimy. Slimy? No, not slimy. Meltier. Whatever. But it's good. It's a very enjoyable burger. And very easy to prepare. Okay, quick and easy burger video out of the Bob's Burgers cookbook today. As I continue to eat on the fries, the cheese curds melted down a little bit more. I think once they set in the hot gravy with the warm fries, they melted down a little bit more. So it got better once that happened. So I would definitely, if I was going to redo this one, would make sure the poutine got a little more meltier on the burger, especially because it's always like a weird texture thing when you got this hot burger with hot, gravy and everything, and you get these big chunks of cold cheese. Maybe I would have even tried to chop up the curds or something to make them a little bit smaller where they would have melted down easier. I don't know. That was the one thing that wasn't quite all the way there for me on this burger today, but still a good burger. I still enjoyed it. Too much food. I'm going to have to reassess when Jessica gets back home the diet situation. But she's away. It's Bachelor Week. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet or not, but we're having fun, passing time, enjoying ourselves while she's away. Thanks for watching this one. More to come on the channel as always. Subscribe, turn the bell on for notifications. Until the next time, enjoy your burgers, enjoy your bagels, enjoy your life.